Hello everyone, I would like to share a video of our waterfall project. This will give you a quick visual of the process from the start to finish. First, we dug out the soil and removed any roots for the waterfall base where the structure would sit. Then, we prepared a reinforced foundation for cascades. We added a layer of Vortex 2000 mm geotextile and 1 mm PVC waterproof liner, which acts as the main barrier to keep water contained within the system. And 2 more layers of geotextile. These layers protect the PVC from being damaged by heavy stones' sharp edges. We used concrete mixed with Hepexide mix C100. This special additive penetrates the concrete and seals it from within. Our concrete mix was 15 liters of cement, 45 liters of sand with gravel, and 200 grams of Hepex waterproofing admix, and just 6-7 liters water for the perfect consistency. While the concrete was still fresh, we embedded the stones directly into it. I worked with a skilled landscape designer who knew exactly how to pick and place each stone for a natural look and smooth water flow. Cascade had a 7-8 centimeter drop, just enough for proper flow and lively natural sound. The last step was smoothing the concrete between stones with a wet brush for a clean natural finish. Once set, the stones and base formed one solid waterproof structure built to last for years. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more projects.